doing it. We're back.
Oh, man.
It is. We're out of practice. She toasty. At least it's not going to be 114. Are you having fun yet?
No.
It's been weeks since we were here, and apparently it's still hot. So these little bumps, what are these little bumps for?
They go underneath the poly panels, which are right there in the corner. They match up with the ribs so that when you screw it down, it has a firm surface underneath it.
And it keeps critters out?
On the ends, it keeps the critters out. And then there's pieces that go along the sides that fill in to keep all the bugs and all the critters out.
We don't want any critters or bugs because Pahrump has a lot of critters or bugs. We're gonna do our best. Please note my rock star of a husband out there alone trying to finish some parts of the roof. Now I'm in the truck because I've overheated. Feel like it's 110 and my body was finally like, nope, you can't be out there anymore. So that's my hero right there. Making it happen, pushing through and letting me sit in the AC. Gotta make some contribution of value.
Paso, I'm gonna knock you out, I'm telling you.
I'm not.